Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. I don't know whether to call this one more of a side hustle or a work from home job, but I am very excited to be sharing this with you, so we will just dive on in. The company Film Hub is hiring a content curation specialist. This is an entry-level and a contract 1099 position. A few things to note is that they offer flexible work hours and they offer a free Mac or Linux laptop. They also give you a training budget to take training classes throughout the year. Now, another thing I just want to mention is they do not specifically state if they're only hiring within the United States or if they're hiring worldwide. Their salary is listed in US dollars, so take that as you will. If you are outside of the United States, you might want to contact them and ask. But Film Hub is where modern filmmakers can take their titles and the films that they've made and publish them directly on streaming services such as Amazon Prime, Roku TV, Tubi, all of those things without having to get a deal or a contract. And so before these movies can be added to these platforms, there has to be some administrative work done on the back end. Movies have to have tags and titles and descriptions and all sorts of things. You know, when you are searching Netflix, you can search like Christmas movies and all of the Christmas movies come up and you can just scroll through. Well, someone has to tag that movie saying this is Christmas related. Someone has to say, okay, this is family related. This is not suitable for family. All of those things, and that is what Film Hub is looking for. They want someone to watch film and TV that's in their catalog and add thoughtful tags and keywords to their titles. You'll manage and expand the list of popular tags and keywords. You'll write clear and compelling descriptions and sales pitches, and you'll also be completing and verifying festivals and award information for any of these films. If you've ever looked up like IMDb, kind of things like that. You'll add links to any press or reviews from major sources that have talked about these movies also. Now, of course, there is no degree needed for this. You just have to have a love for film, a knowledge of film history, great writing skills in English, the ability to understand research social culture, and be open-minded and non-judgmental. Now, please note this is an incentive-based salary. The target earning for this is between $20 and $25 an hour. Of course, final offer amounts and actual compensation packages are determined against different factors, including your skill set and experience. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.